Hey guys, this is your favorite show, Senior Entrance, and I'm your host. Today we have with us one of the special guests who is amongst the top 10 Indian rappers. She has done various international tours and is currently serving as the editor-in-chief for the Senior. Let's have a look at her story.
Hey, this is DMC, and I'm one of the only Indian female rappers doing this since the past 6 years. Recently, I represented India internationally in the hip hop arena. Hip hop is not just something that I do, it is something which I live. Today, I'm going to share my fascinating hip hop journey on CEO and Trends with Satyat Rai.
So Deepa, first of all, congratulations for completing both your international tours successfully, and thank you for taking India's name to the international platform. What, according to you, is the recent change which has happened in the hip-hop industry?
I would say the most important change is that people are starting to notice it now. Like there is a lot of mainstream attention, not just in terms of Bollywood, but across the country. A lot of rappers are getting opportunities in different regional industries.
Oh, wow.
So it's not just not just for them being a vocal artist. They are themselves being cast as rappers in the movies. So it's like opportunities have increased a lot, and globally people have come to know that there is a budding hip hop scene in India. So all eyes are on hip hop right now, and one of the most interesting things that are happening right now is that there's a very huge Bollywood movie coming out next year called Gully Boy. It's being directed by Zoya Akhtar, and it stars Ranveer Singh, Alia Bhatt in the lead roles. It's based on the life of two rappers from Mumbai, so it's like a very kind of like a stepping stone for all of us. A lot of people are in the movie, including me.
We are. Congratulations for that, by the way.
Thank you. We are acting as ourselves, like I'm going to be DMC in the movie. So transformation wise, I would say definitely opportunities coming up is the most important thing that's happening right now.
And you are acting as yourself in the movie, which is very important. So what inspired you to get into the hip hop industry and in a way create a name for yourself?
So definitely my inspiration was to be at least as good as my peers, as good as the people who have started before me. So I think ये rapping का कीड़ा मुझ में पहले से था, क्योंकि I used to write poetries जब मैं स्कूल में थी, और मैंने hip hop शुरू किया as a dancer, not as a rapper. मैं B-girl बनने की कोशिश कर रही थी. I was learning break dancing when I was in college, but वो मुझसे हो नहीं पाया. My body was like, you can't do it. So the next thing I turned to was rapping as an element, and वो मुझे ज़्यादा naturally आ रहा था, so I stuck with it.
So, which is your most memorable moment as an artist? You have done 2 international tours, been across the globe, took India's name. I'm pretty sure you might have one of the most memorable moment, and which is that we would like to know.
Definitely the most memorable moment was going out of India and representing my country, not just once, twice. In UK, I was there for 25 days and I toured it 4 places. So it was like India में ही मैंने कभी tour नहीं किया है अभी तक. Internationally मुझे first tour करने मिला at really good like the stages, the people that I met, the different artists that I met in UK as well as in Belgium. In Belgium, I had gone for an all-female hip-hop festival, which is like something super unique for myself, क्योंकि मुझे भी पहली बार पता चला कि ऐसा कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो सिर्फ फीमेल आर्टिस्ट्स के लिए हिप हॉप फीमेल आर्टिस्ट्स के लिए
ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है. Beautiful.
It was great. And the next thing was definitely Gully Boy. Getting into Gully Boy, meeting Ranveer Singh sitting next to me, telling me that my lyrics is something super amazing, telling me to please do the track once more because he wants to hear it again, and then by hearting my track just by listening to it once. It's just everything is going pretty quickly. It's little like it's great. It's feeling like जो भी हमने मेहनत किया था, जो seeds हमने डाले थे 6 साल पहले, वो अभी जाके sprout हो रहा है.
Wow, this is beautiful. Also, we are not letting you go from our show unless and until you perform. Okay, but one interesting thing which you said is there is an organization for females which is organizing such international tours and all. Do you think being feminist or a little bit of feminism does it make you vulnerable in the industry or helps you in growing much more ahead in the industry, in the entertainment industry as a whole?
I think like feminism is not something that will make you vulnerable unless you let yourself get affected by what other people are saying.
Whoa.
Feminism is it's a tool for empowerment. The requirement for feminism comes because there's been centuries of oppression against one gender.
Yeah.
It's a systematic oppression where the world works in a way that females get lesser and they have to try harder.
Right.
Especially in a country like India where patriarchy is so rampant, it still exists in all walks of life. It's very important, not just in the entertainment industry, in each and every industry. Me being a female rapper, I take it as almost as if it's like my responsibility that I like and I love telling people that I'm a feminist, and I'm proud of telling people that I'm a feminist.
Right.
Over time, लोगों ने इस कंसेप्ट को एकदम वाटर डाउन कर दिया है. पीपल हु नहीं तो भी जो चीज़ हमें समझ में नहीं आती है ना, लाइक ये थोड़ा ह्यूमन फिलॉसफी है. What you don't understand, you're afraid of it.
No.
You know?
Yes.
So people, they have started making their own ideas about it. The only chance when you might get vulnerable because of feminism is when you get affected by somebody calling you, hey, ये तो शुरू हो गई, इसका शुरू हो गया फिर से feminism, ये वो. Don't get discouraged by idiots. That's the only time you might get vulnerable. Apart from that, feminism is always going to make you feel much more empowered, and it's going to make you feel like, yes, I'm making some difference.
So Deepa, that is a very good thought about feminism, but also one thing which we have noticed is in most of your tracks you have mentioned one or the other social causes. What exactly is the scene behind it? Why not something more commercial towards it, but going on this part of this society and talking about the issue of this society? Why exactly that?
Well, I think that just happens to be because of the way I've been brought up. I've not been brought up in a very glamorous lifestyle. I come from a very middle class background where I have been part of a very huge crowd, you know, traveling through public transports or whatever it is. I've seen a lot of people around me. I've seen how the common India lives, how the middle class India lives. So whatever in hip hop, whatever comes out in the music, you know, art imitates life, which is something people say. So that's exactly what happens in hip hop. Artists usually talk about their experiences and the experiences of people around them. So I feel like hip hop as a revolutionary culture, it started they started it to overcome oppression because their people were oppressed by another race. So I think hip hop coming into India has much more higher purpose than it just being a commercial thing. I think it should be a tool, it should be a revolutionary tool which will help to kind of broaden the way people think here. क्योंकि हमारे country में लोग एक bubble में रहते हैं, मतलब उनका क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सेस टू इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत कम है. उनको बस उतना ही समझता है जितना उनको दिखाया जाता है टीवी पे या उन्हें बताया जाता है. उसके आगे पीछे का कोई खुद से रिसर्च करके जानने की कोशिश नहीं करता है. तो आई थिंक हिप हॉप एज अ जॉनर वो बदलेगा. इतने लैंग्वेजेस है, इतने अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में लोग अभी रैप कर रहे हैं, एंड काफ़ी लोग, नॉट जस्ट मी, बहुत रैपर्स, अगर कोई एक कमर्शियल गाना बनाता है तो वो 5 सोशल टॉपिक पे गाने बनाता है, विच इज़ ग्रेट. क्योंकि डेफिनेटली इस चीज़ों के बारे में बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड ऐसे भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि बस ऐसे तुम बोल रहे हो कि हाँ रेप होता है, हाँ ये होता है, हो गया, बस इतना ही नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी समथिंग एजुकेशनल. इट शुड लेट पीपल नो समथिंग दैट दे डिड नॉट नो प्रीवियसली. इसकी कोशिश मैं करती हूँ अपने ट्रैक से. ऑफकोर्स जब कमर्शियल करने का टाइम आएगा, जब कमर्शियल इंडस्ट्री मुझे बोलेगी कि कमर्शियल कुछ करो, वो टाइम पे मैंने कमर्शियल चीज़ें भी किए हैं. बट खुद से जब मैं खुद के गाने बनाने जाती हूँ तो नेचुरली मुझसे सोशल टॉपिक ही निकलता है. लाइक इट्स जस्ट द वे इट इज.
Yeah. So also one thing, one of the issues again, society is one side, but then we have seen that as an artist or art as a form is not taken as a professional career choice in India. Like many people think that being an artist, it should be a side thing and you should have some other source of income which should be main income. So according to you, what exactly can be done to consider hip hop and rap and all the subsidiary part of it to be a serious profession in India?
Yeah, whatever you've said is absolutely true, because till date, even after going to so many international tours and doing whatever we have done, हमें अभी भी like क्या करते हो, रैप करते हो, अच्छा तो पैसे के लिए क्या करते हो, इट्स लाइक लिटरली लाइक दैट. तो वो आई I don't know what I can tell you about that, क्योंकि वो तो लोगों का मेंटालिटी है, वो चेंज होना नहीं होना लाइक इंडिया में तो बहुत मुश्किल है. सो एज अ हिप हॉप आर्टिस्ट इफ यू वांट टू टेक इट एज अ प्रोफेशन, अभी उस चीज़ का अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रहा है, बट यू हैव टू नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो अगर तुम्हें बेस्ट बनना है तो तुम्हें उतना एफर्ट्स डालना पड़ेगा. तो अगर मुझे कुछ टिप देना है टू द न्यू कमिंग जनरेशन, इट वुड जस्ट बी दैट डोंट डू इट बिकॉज इट्स कूल. इफ यू डू इट फॉर द ट्रेंड के सेक में कि अरे सब लोग रैप कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी करके देखता हूँ, तो फिर वो उतना ही रहेगा, हॉबी जितना ही रहेगा. यू विल ओनली बी एबल टू टर्न इट एज अ प्रोफेशन only when you fall in love with it. If you fall in love with that art, अगर तुम्हारा वो it inspires you, तुम्हारा interest है वो चीज़ में, तो you will make sure कि मैं सिर्फ ट्राई करने पे नहीं रुक जाऊँगा, मैं उसमें और इम्प्रूव होने की कोशिश करूँगा, मैं दूसरे लोगों के साथ काम करूँगा, मैं देखूँगा कि दूसरों ने क्या किया है खुद को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. एंड apart from that, as an independent artist, if you have to do something in your life, you come from a very humble background, you don't have a lot of money with you, you don't have loaded parents to just give you money for marketing and everything, you'll have to do a lot of homework in terms of how to promote yourself, how to market yourself. You'll have to know how social media works, how to shoot a music video, how to record the songs. You'll have to know everything. तो काम बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो अगर तुम्हें सिर्फ शाइनिंग के लिए करना है तो तुम सिर्फ शाइनिंग मार के रह जाओगे.
Exactly, that is a very good point. Also, being editor-in-chief for Desi Hip Hop, how exactly are you trying to change the scenario in the industry?
Yeah, so DesiHipHop.com is the only website, is the leading website for South Asian hip hop artists, not just in South Asian region but across the world. NRIs who live outside the South Asian bracket. So to be honest, the entire world, till now, they don't really expect anything from this area when it comes to hip hop. उनके लिए बहुत surprising है. उनके लिए जब पता चलता है उन्हें कि इतना हिप हॉप का इतना बड़ा सीन है यहाँ पे, इतने सारे आर्टिस्ट्स हैं, इतने सारे रैपर्स हैं, इतना सब मूवीज वगैरह में अभी जो भी हो रहा है लास्ट 2 सालों से, तो उनको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है ये कि इस कंट्री में हिप हॉप कैसे आया और वो लोग क्या अलग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, उनको वो देखना है. तो ये सब देखने के लिए DesiHipHop.com is like a one-stop shop for anybody. May it be music, may it be news, may it be events, whatever it is, we cover everything and we try to give them a holographic view, not just a very personal biased view. We tell them what's going on across the country in different languages, in different cities, different countries, not just India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. We let them know what's happening in hip hop. We try to give them a complete picture. So मेरे लिए this is a bonus point क्योंकि मैं जर्नलिस्ट भी हूँ, तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. मुझे खुद से ज़्यादा मेरे पूरे सीन के बारे में बात करने को ज़्यादा मजा आता है.
That's beautiful.
क्योंकि like everybody is like, it's like a very huge family. Hip hop ना पूरी दुनिया में actually it's like this. Hip hop as a culture ऐसा इतना beautiful है कि सिर्फ just by being a hip hop head you can have a lot of things in common. Like your lifestyle is going to be pretty much the same. So it's very easy to kind of make friends and socialize, and no matter which city you go into, you always have a home. So DesiHipHop.com, it's kind of like a global home for all these South Asian artists to just make their music reach out there and just get the ball rolling about what's up with hip hop in South Asia in general.
Well, this is a very interesting thing. So guys, if you are a fan of hip hop or you want to stay connected with the industry, with the latest trends and fashion which is happening into the hip hop world, do go to Desi Hip Hop, and definitely Deepa is writing a lot of articles over there and you will get to know a lot which is happening in the industry, so you can stay updated. Also Deepa, we have something really interesting for you. So since one of the things about rapping is you have to be really fast, right? So we will try to trick you with your own game. We will give you like for 1 minute I would be asking you questions and you have to answer them all in Hindi, okay? And you do not have to say the words ha, na and nahi. Alright, so it is totally prohibited for you, and the questions will be asked that way, and let's see how you do it.
I think I can handle that.
Okay, so then let's start. According to you, which is the best hip hop website?
DesiHipHop.com.
Okay, Desi Hip Hop से anything better?
बहुत सारे फॉरेन वेबसाइट्स हैं.
बहुत सारे
Triple XL, Vice.
Yes.
Name it.
Who is your favorite hip hopper?
Jay-Z.
Okay. उससे better कौन है?
Crooked Eye.
Okay. Do you think you can perform better than them?
Kash.
Okay. Okay. That's a killer. So, do you think your industry is growing? या फिर it is not growing?
एकदम स्पीड से ग्रो हो रहा है.
एकदम स्पीड से ग्रो हो रहा है. और do you think are you part of the speed or not?
स्पीड का S हो गया.
Alright, so we are giving this round to you. Definitely, you are really fast with your brain and with, of course, with the rap and all. Absolutely, guys, and it was definitely amazing to have Deepa on our show, and she is literally, yeah, and you are a blast. And definitely, thank you for taking India's name to a international arena, and all the best for your movie. By the way, when is the movie releasing?
It's releasing on my birthday
Which
next year.
is?
on
Which is?
14th February.
Oh my god, that's a Valentine's Day. So yeah, also the theaters to full होने ही वाले हैं. So you are going to make a lot of movie for it. Alright, so Deepa, congratulations on that part. And guys, I will see you in the next episode. See ya. Bye bye. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Alright, see ya.